Hel- Hello viewers, how are you? And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you make PDF file in MS Office 2013. Uh, if we want to work and we have to use PDF file, we have to make PDF file, but we don't know the really process. How can we make PDF file or how can we save PDF file? Today I'm going to solve this problem. Where I can find PDF or where we will find the right process for PDF. What kind of work we have to do for saving PDF file? Let's see. Now I'm going to show you practically. And I open my Microsoft Office 2013 document. I click here on that document, new pages. I try to type something just for education purpose. Now I am going to save it. I can save it Control S. Okay, if I save it on desktop, I want to save it on PDF file. Now I want to name this file on that name, PDF1, PDF1, and I want to save that file. Click the options, file tab option. Here is PDF. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Okay, let's see, is it okay or not? Okay, yeah, it is done. After save this PDF, my file look like that. Okay, now I want to show you practically the PDF file 1 here. Right, this is the easy process. Now I want to clear more thing, that is how can you save more PDF. That is there is a personal details. Okay, I want to save this file into PDF also. Now I have to go Control S, or you can click on save. And it is not working. Now I'm going to save it Control S. I'm going to save it on PDF file. Okay, now this is for education purpose. Control S. Save. Now I want to check that is it okay or not. Yeah. Now this is working. Now you have to done. How can you save PDF? You can use Control S or save as or export. If you use export, you can find few concepts about file type. Create PDF XP document. If you want to save in PDF, that you have to maintain those things. That is create a PDF slash XPS document. Features, layout, formation, front and image. Content can't be easily changed. Content can change it easily. Free viewers are available on the web. You can watch your file on web. If you click on create on, that is name PDF, name PDF2 on desktop. Save it. Here is my saving file. You have to wait for it. Yeah, here is the file, PDF file. You can see now